Section 3.3.13-T. Male and female populations of giant clams under 80 years old are represented by age in the table below. Actually, to the right. We want to complete parts A through D. So the first part, we want to approximate the population mean and standard deviation for the males. So we're going to open up our data into StatCrunch. And so we have our age, which represents the classes. We have our lower limit, upper limit, and then we have our two columns for males and females. So we want to be able to find the population mean and standard deviation for males. So let's go to Summary Stat. And then we're going to go down to Group Bin Data. The bins in are the classes, which is the age. The counts in are the males. We want to look at the consecutive lower limits to find the mean and the standard deviation. Now we're going to select Compute. Okay, and then we're rounding this to 2 decimal places. So our population mean, we want to make sure we're using the correct symbol, is 43.79. And our population standard deviation is 20.74. Now we want to approximate the population mean and standard deviation age for male. So we're going to go here and then select Stat, go to Summary Stat, and then go to Group Bin Data. The bins in are the age, the counts in are females. Select consecutive lower limits to find the mean and the standard deviation. So let's take a look at that here. So we have the population mean for the females to be 44.45 and the population standard deviation to be 19.05. So the question states now is, which gender has the higher mean age? Well, let's compare the mean. We have the mean, which is 43.79 for the males and 44.45 for the females. So that means we could say that the females have the higher mean age. And then the next question states which gender has the higher dispersion age, which means that we're looking at the standard deviation. Males have 20.74, the females have 19.05, so we're looking at the males to have the greater dispersion. So therefore, we would then say that the standard deviation is a measure of dispersion, and therefore the males have the greater dispersion.